So today we're going to make a quick cookie recipe. We're going to be baking from Christina Tosi's All About Cookies. She calls these the Little Motivators. These fudgy, craggy cookies are as much about the nuts and kick of coffee as they are about the insanely deep chocolate cookie dough that barely in a good way binds them together. They're chock full of energy, whether your poison is protein or caffeine, and may make you feel like you're ready to take on the world or simply motivate you to eat the whole batch before anyone else asks you to share. So what we're going to do here is we've heated the oven to 350 degrees, lined 2 baking sheets with parchment paper in the bowl of a stand mixer. Fitted with a paddle attachment. Scrape down the sides of the bowl, add the eggs and vanilla, and beat until smooth. We're going to cream together the sugar and butter on medium-high for 2 to 3 minutes until well combined. 3/4 of a cup, 450 grams of sugar. Going to add 2 large eggs and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Beat until smooth. Now we're going to add 1 1/3 cups or 225 grams of melted chocolate. With the mixer still on low, we're going to add the flour, espresso powder, baking powder, and salt. In she goes. 1 tablespoon or 4 grams of instant espresso powder. Coffee.
Yum.
Brings the chocolate flavor out of the chocolate. We need 1 teaspoon or 4 grams of baking powder. And finally, we're going to put 1½ teaspoons or 6 grams of kosher salt. To paddle in the remaining 170 grams or 1 cup of chocolate chips. More chocolate. Yes. 165 grams of chopped pecans or 1½ cups. And 1½ cups or 165 grams of chopped walnuts. And mix just until incorporated. These are called Little Motivators, and I can't wait to get motivated by these chocolatey, nutty, delicious cookies. Because sometimes you just need a cookie like that in your life. Right? Right. That's what I say. Look at that beautiful batter. Scoop the dough onto the prepared pans, 2 to 3 inches apart. Flatten the domed tops with your palm. It will be sticky, but don't worry. Okay. Now we're going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. You won't be able to see much of a visual change to the dough, so make sure to set a timer. Batch number 1. Oh my goodness. There we have it. Look at these amazing cookies. They look very soft. I hope they firm up a little bit. Next batch. There you have it. Beautiful, beautiful little motivators. So if you enjoyed this video, please do click the thumbs up like button. Subscribe to my channel, because that helps us produce more yummy videos for you to watch. And I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Wow, 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 wow.